Hello! The ArchiveMaster plugin lets you archive your customer orders in your preferred storage. This feature helps you to keep your WooCommerce store light and fast. The feature is available only to you as an admin, but in today's video, we show you how to show your customers their archived orders. First, let's look at a customer's account. As you can see, the archive order feature is not visible. They can only see a list of their orders. To show the archive order to your customers, go to the ArchiveMaster plugin, Archive Settings, and enable Show Archived Orders on My Account page for customers. Then go to Archive Settings to set the days of orders to be archived. Then hit Save to finish. Now if your customers refresh their accounts, they will be able to see their order data has been separated into archived orders. Users can also see their regular orders. As an admin of your WooCommerce store, if you unarchive your data and update the changes, your users will see their archived order feature, but without the archived data. And that's it. Be sure to subscribe to find out how to keep your WooCommerce store fast and lightweight using the ArchiveMaster plugin.